Have you ever wondered if there's a fruit that can boost your health in more ways than one? Well, let me introduce you to pomegranate, a vibrant, ruby-red superfruit that's been revered for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Today, I want to share with you why I absolutely love pomegranates, how they have impacted my health, and how you can incorporate them into your diet for maximum benefits. One of the things that fascinates me most about pomegranates is their incredibly high antioxidant content. These antioxidants, especially the punicalagins and anthocyanins, play a crucial role in protecting our cells from oxidative stress. Our bodies are constantly exposed to harmful molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants, like those found in pomegranates, act like powerful shields, neutralizing these free radicals and protecting our cells from their harmful effects. When I first started incorporating pomegranate into my diet regularly, I noticed a significant improvement in my skin's glow and my overall energy levels. Pomegranates are a delicious and convenient way to boost your antioxidant intake naturally. So, if you're looking for a natural way to slow down aging and support your body at a cellular level, this superfruit is a must-have in your diet. Now, let's talk about heart health, something we all should be mindful of, right? Heart disease is a serious issue, and taking proactive steps to protect our cardiovascular system is crucial. The good news is that pomegranates can be a powerful ally in this area. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice may help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, two major risk factors for heart disease. Pomegranates also help prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Imagine your arteries like a network of pipes that carry blood throughout your body. For someone like me who has a family history of high blood pressure, adding pomegranate to my diet has been a game changer. Drinking a small glass of fresh pomegranate juice in the morning or adding pomegranate seeds to my breakfast gives me peace of mind, knowing that I am actively taking care of my heart. If you're concerned about cardiovascular health, this fruit is a natural and delicious way to support it. We've all experienced inflammation at some point, whether it's a swollen ankle after a sprain or a throbbing headache. But did you know that chronic, low-grade inflammation is a silent troublemaker that can contribute to a wide range of health problems? The good news is that pomegranates contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help tame this inflammation, reducing pain, swelling, and discomfort. I once recommended pomegranate juice to a close friend who was struggling with rheumatoid arthritis. Over time, she told me that she experienced less stiffness in her joints and was able to move more freely. If you're dealing with joint pain, muscle soreness, or chronic inflammation, consider adding pomegranates to your diet and see if you notice a difference. It might just be the natural solution you've been searching for. We all know how important it is to have a strong immune system, especially during cold and flu season, right? Pomegranates are loaded with vitamin C and natural antibacterial compounds that help strengthen our immune systems and fight off infections. Whenever I feel a cold coming on, I make sure to eat pomegranate seeds or drink pomegranate juice to give my immune system an extra boost. And more often than not, I can feel the difference. By incorporating immune-boosting foods like pomegranates into our diets, we're giving our bodies the support they need to fight off those invaders and keep us feeling our best. Now, I want to be upfront and say that pomegranates are not a cure for cancer. However, there's promising research suggesting that pomegranate extracts may play a role in slowing down the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and prostate cancer. The key compound here is ellagic acid, a powerful antioxidant found in pomegranates that has been studied for its potential to reduce tumor growth. While more research is needed, the early findings are encouraging. Incorporating foods like pomegranates, which contain compounds that may have anti-cancer properties, can be another tool in your arsenal. If you have a history of cancer in your family, or simply want to take proactive steps to reduce your risk, incorporating pomegranates into your diet could be a great way to add more protective nutrients to your meals. Did you know that pomegranates can also benefit your brain? These incredible fruits are like a brain-boosting superfood, helping to improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Studies suggest that pomegranates may help protect against Alzheimer's disease, a devastating neurodegenerative disease that affects memory and thinking skills. I've definitely noticed a difference in my own cognitive function since incorporating pomegranates into my diet. I find that when I include them regularly, I feel more alert, focused, and sharp during the day. If you have a demanding job, are a student, or simply want to maintain good brain health as you age, pomegranate could be a great addition to your routine. Give it a try and see for yourself. Let's talk about gut health for a moment. You might not realize it, but a healthy gut is essential for our overall well-being. It's responsible for digesting our food, absorbing nutrients, and even supporting our immune system. For anyone struggling with digestive issues, pomegranates might just be the answer. They're a fantastic source of fiber, which is like a superhero for your gut. Fiber helps promote healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps things moving smoothly. Pomegranates also help support good gut bacteria, the beneficial microorganisms that live in our intestines and play a vital role in our health. Personally, I find that eating pomegranate seeds with breakfast or as a snack helps keep my digestion on track and makes me feel lighter and more energized throughout the day. If you often experience bloating, constipation, or irregular digestion, try adding more fiber-rich foods like pomegranates to your diet and see if you notice a difference. Your gut will thank you for it. When you think of sweet fruits, you might not immediately think of blood sugar control. But here's the surprising thing about pomegranates. Despite their natural sweetness, they have a low glycemic index. What does that mean? It means they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which is excellent news for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. If you have diabetes, consuming pomegranate in moderation can provide you with essential nutrients and antioxidants without drastically affecting your blood sugar levels. However, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that's right for you. Who doesn't love healthy, radiant skin? It's one of the first things people notice about us, and it plays a big role in how we feel about ourselves. One of my favorite things about pomegranates, their ability to improve skin health from the inside out. These ruby red jewels are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which are like superheroes for your skin. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, the protein that gives our skin its elasticity and firmness. As we age, our collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. But by consuming vitamin C-rich foods like pomegranates, we can help support collagen production and maintain a more youthful appearance. I noticed that after regularly eating pomegranates, my skin started looking more radiant and youthful. It was like getting a natural glow-up from the inside out. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, we all want to perform our best and recover quickly from our workouts. Pomegranate juice, in particular, has been shown to enhance blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and improve endurance. Pomegranates contain nitrates, compounds that our bodies convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, which means it helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow to muscles and other tissues. I personally like to drink a small glass of pomegranate juice before my workouts, and I find that it gives me extra energy and helps with post-workout recovery. It's like a natural pre-workout boost. So there you have it. Pomegranates are an incredible fruit that can support heart health, brain function, digestion, immunity, and skin glow. They're like nature's little powerhouses of nutrition, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that our bodies crave. If you haven't already, I encourage you to give pomegranates a try and see how they make you feel. You can enjoy them fresh, as juice, or even sprinkled on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Get creative and have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.